Hi unique family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am bringing you guys a makeup related video. Now I love makeup, love it. It's one of my favorite hobby. I haven't played makeup in such a long time. When I was in school I didn't have time, so it was more like you do your little eyebrows and go. But now that I have more time, I want to get back into playing with makeup again. So today I wanted to look cute, even though we ain't going nowhere. But we wanted to look cute, okay? So I decided to do a purple look. I didn't really know what to do, but I saw the purple rods in my hair, so I'm like, okay, let's go with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below whatever video you guys want to see. So this color right here, I love it. When I first seen it in this Morphe James Charles palette, I love it, but I wish it was more pigmented. It wasn't, and I had to keep going in and back again. But overall, it still came out nice. So now I'm gonna do a little contour. Me, I like natural makeup. Not the natural you thinking about. I don't like the whole where you could see my contour and highlight very strong. I like it more of a natural look. So that's why I use this concealer by the Fenty concealer. I use it closer to my skin tone because I don't like the brightness. Like I don't want it to be so bright. So, and also when I do my contour, I kind of do like a reverse contour where I don't use no concealer, no darker shade concealer. I just usually put the baking powder I'm using now, and I pretty much carve my cheeks and without using no powder or concealer to contour, but it still gives me that nice cheekbone look, if you guys know what I mean. And here is my daughter. She wanted to be in the video. She's in the room while I do my makeup and would not leave me alone until I pick her up so she could see what I'm doing, being nosy. And now we just wiping off the excess powder off and completing our look, guys. And this is the complete look, guys. The smoky purple, love it. And that's how I would normally wear this look, with this neutral lip. I love this MAC lip gloss. I love it so much. I wear it all the time. I have to go buy some more. Excuse the hair, guys. We are so in need of hair and nail duty. I cannot wait. But I wanted to give you guys some more color, so I am switching up the lip to this purple. It's more purple than it appear in camera. It's by ColourPop. It's called Hunch, and it still turned out so beautiful. But normally in real life, I would wear the neutral lip. That's just me. So this is a trick I learned a long time ago to do to get excess lip gloss or lipstick off, so it won't go in your teeth. So just do that trick. It really worked. So this is the final look, guys. My smoky purple look. I love it. I don't usually play with colors. I usually stay with neutral, but my goal is to play with my colors. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, bye.